Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, November the 2nd. Well, a change of character for the market today, and very much different than the previous 3 days where we had very large bodied candles, and today we have a very large reduction in the size of the body of the current candle. It's a green candle, very small, and that tells us that the buyers have made quite small net bullish progress on the day. So very indecisive type candle for the market, which is in a first time frame downtrend. It's a spinning top type candle. The candle has a long shadow on either end, and it resembles a spinning top. And overall, with the price rejection on the downside and price rejection on the upside, it actually reflects a lot of indecision in the market. So there is potential here for the market to reverse to the upside. Now there is still a first time frame downtrend where the market has a lower high and a lower low, so we need to bear in mind that we don't have a change of trend yet, but there is potential for that change of trend. Now, interestingly, as the market has traded down into the cloud for the previous day with a very bearish close, we had this indecisive type candle. And that may be because the market is finding some support down within the cloud. And anywhere through this cloud will potentially hold up as an area of support. So that could be why we've got this indecisive trading here at the moment. But we do need confirmation of a change of trend, so we need to keep an eye on the high of the current candle for a potential change of trend. Now, interestingly, the market did trade up outside of the cloud or the Kumo, but failed to close up above there. So that's very important. That top of the cloud there can also act as an area of resistance for the market, and that's exactly what's happened there. So even though we've got this indecisive trading to the downside, there is still a lot of indecision about for the bulls too. They're not really terribly confident of trading this market higher at the moment. So we really do need to see how the next day's trading develops. Just to the downside, if the market does continue in the first time frame downtrend, we have potential support at the 1018 level, which coincides with this previous swing low and this previous resistance area, and then certainly down at the 1000 area, which will coincide with the bottom of the cloud or the Kumo. As the market keeps trading over the next few days, we can see that the bottom of the cloud will move higher and higher, so we actually have a dynamic area of support at the bottom of the cloud for this market. To the upside, obviously, the market will need to have a solid close up above this Kumo. Quite often when the Kumo is flat, we can get false breakouts. So what we'd like to see is a very bullish close to be a little bit more confident of the breakout or potential breakout above the cloud or the Kumo. Now, with the market trading down within the cloud, it means that the market is neutral at the moment. And we can see that all of the bullishness that was in this market previously trading up above the cloud has now evaporated. So we need to be a little bit more wary of taking long positions when the market is trading within the cloud. Certainly, we can't be as positive about them as when the market's trading up above the cloud or the Kumo. The market is also trading down below the Tenkan Sen, which is the green line, and the Kijun Sen, and they represent the trend in a very fast time frame and a medium time frame. And the market's trading down below them, which means that the market has a negative bias. It's fairly bearish, even though in the longer term, trading within the cloud means that the market's neutral. So we do really need to be very careful about taking any long positions. The Kijun Sen is still flat, and there is potential now for the market to move back towards the Kijun Sen. The Kijun Sen will tend to attract price action, and that's what happened here previously when the market was extended up around the 1000 or 1100 area, and the market traded back down to the Kijun Sen, but traded through it, so it failed to act as support. There is potential for the market to trade back up to there, and that's at around 1060. So for the next day's trading, the low of this current candle becomes very important for any continuation of the first time frame downtrend, and the high, which is around 1050, and especially the top of the cloud here, becomes important for any potential reversal.